change oil on it. That's why it's looking this way. Now you see this chamber, see this particular place. You're not supposed to have oil on this part. This part, you're not supposed to have oil. Guys, okay, welcome back to my channel. You see this machine, if you have this machine and you don't know how to change oil on this machine, I will want to show you guys how you can change oil on this machine. But before then, I want to show you something. If you have this machine and while you sew, oil drops from here. Look at this spot. You see this place I'm touching? As you can see now, I'm not sewing, no. I've not used this machine this month. But you see, you've seen oil, right? If oil drops on this part of this your machine, like mine, let me show you how you can stop that. After that, then I'll now show you how you can change oil. Now, come, let me show you guys. So first of all, you have to lift it up this way. Okay, you lift it up like this. So this is what the inside looks like. As you can see, this is what the inside looks like. This is the main chamber where you have the oil. And these other chambers, I'm trying to change oil on it. That's why it's looking this way. Now, you see this chamber, see this particular place. You're not supposed to have oil on this part. This part, you're not supposed to have oil here. So, as you can see, I already drained out my own oil. So I want to change the oil on this part of the machine. Now, if you have oil here, then there's every possibility oil will be dropping here while you sew. That's why you used to have, when you sew, oil will be dropping here. That was what my engineer told me, and I had to remove the whole oil here. Now, when you come to this part, this compartment, you see this bigger place. As you can see it now. Now, look at this list. Please bring the camera down. If you look here, you see something like high and low. You understand? Now, most times after fixing this machine for the first time, your engineer will help you to put oil, and some of us will sew for very long, will not change the oil. Even when it dries up, we'll just leave it like that. So let me tell you, you see this place, this particular place. See this place I'm pointing at now. Once you open, there's a knot there. Once you open it, you put a can, a jerry can or something under it. Once you open the knot from the inside, even as you're opening it from the outside, under it, under this particular knot I'm pointing at, once you open it, it will drain out. You put something under, all the oil here will drain out. You understand? Once it drain out, you look for something. Why I'm not draining this one now is because the container where I want to put this is not available. Then you look for something and clean the whole machine. After cleaning, then you can now put it. If you want, if the oil is still neat, fine, you can put it back. If it's not, then you change it entirely to a new one. Now, another thing you need to know is look at this place. This is high. This is low. See this place I just pointed at. So when you are putting your oil, you also have to know if, or as you sew, you check when it's low. If the oil is still neat, then you top up. But if it's not neat and you feel that it has stayed for long, yes, some people store for 2 months, 3 months before they change oil, then you can top it up to get to this high place. Remember, this machine needs oil. Yes, it's not like the manual one that we are always putting oil or the hose and all that. This particular one, this place, you need to put enough oil. Okay, so like I said, this is high, this is low. Make sure once it gets down to this low place, either you top it up or you change the oil entirely. And as for this chamber I talked about, I said oil is not supposed to be here. According to my engineer, I said oil is not supposed to be here. That is the reason why I used to have oil droplet while I sew. Okay, so guys, that is it about how to change oil on your industrial sewing machine. And also, if you sew and you have droplets from here, that is how to avoid that or to stop it from doing that. So thank you so much. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please do it to subscribe, do it to like and share this video. See you guys next time. Bye.